Good afternoon, all of you. So last explanations about the formatting tags, 4 tags completed, the 2 tags pending available. Strong, EM and U strike. Total 4 tags are over. Next, see the next tag. Tag name is sub. So the name of the tag is sub. What is the full form of this sub, sir? Sub full form is subscript. The full form of the sub is subscript. So purpose of this tag, to display the data below the baseline. Below the baseline in the sense, suppose, so this is our data, some app. This is the below the baseline and this is the above the baseline. This is called as the subscript at the bottom of the text, and this is called as the superscript top of the text. This is our next tag. The actual our data, sir. So top of this data, some superscript is comes, and the bottom of this data, subscript it will comes. So what is the use of this subscript, sir? Especially our chemical equations and chemical formulas, sir. Carbon dioxide, CO2. 2, how we are writing? The below the text here. So all chemical formulas and chemical equations and numberings always comes in the below actual letters. That scenarios, this is useful for us. Especially chemical formulas or equations. And a chemistry, sir. So this tag used to print the text or to print the data. So below the baseline. Below the baseline. And example is, syntax. Subscript opens and write your text and subscript close. So which text you want to print below the actual line? Write the text here. Alphabets we can print, numbers also we can print, and symbols also we can print. Exactly this reverse explanation, superscript. The tag name is a sup. The full form of this sup is superscript. So this tag used to print the text above the baseline. To print the text above the baseline. What is the purpose of this tag, sir? Especially mathematics formulas. Sin 30 degrees, sin 45 degrees, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube. The whole square, whole cube, it will comes the top of the text. That scenarios we are using this superscript. One for the chemical equations, one for the mathematics formula. Both covering here. And the syntax of the tag is sup followed by your text and then close the sup. These are the balanced 2 tags. Total 6 tags theory part we completed. Programming pending. Just we finished the theory operations. So before going to the example, see yesterday's one explanation. All these are the pair tags. Opening, closing, compulsory. By mistake, closing missing, sir. Unexpected outputs are comes. Tag opened properly, but not closed properly. So automatically wrong outputs or unexpected outputs confirm. So every opened tag should be closed properly. Pair tags nature that one. And all these tags are the inline tags. What is the meaning of inline, sir? Inline means the tags output comes side by side, just like as your sitting order. So how you are sitting the student by student, student by student. Every student is one tag, sir. You all are the inline tags. I am block level tag. Reason, my this side nobody is available. My right side also nobody is there. I am the only person in this line. Yes, I am the only person in this line. My left side, nobody is there. My right side is also nobody is available. So, but Shivakumar, how many lines occupied, sir? One full line occupied. And you are how many lines occupied? Not full line. You just occupied only one chair. So you all are the inline tags, side by side reading. And I am the block level tag. The block level tags, they occupies the full line. The whole line it is occupying. Inline tags occupies how much content available, that much of area only it is occupying. One major difference between the block and inline. After execution of the program, you will get the clarity. See. I'm showing example on that 6 tags. So the first one is strong tag and the data HTML strong close. I want to print the total HTML with thick letters. So strong tag I applied. Same thing, B tag. Same B. Again, I want to display the CSS with bold letters. The one old coding style, sir, one new coding style. One old version, one current version. Both tags are displaying the letters with thicker. Check it once. So these are the thick letters. Is it thick letters, sir? Doubt available, check it once. I'm removing the strong tag. Observe the letters, thin letters. Apply the strong. Refresh. Observe the HTML carefully. That is the strongness. But now these are the 2 tags, strong and B. Output order, observe. Line by line or side by side? You are also sitting side by side only. That's all. Run one of the previous example. Your first example, headings example. The headings is side by side or line by line? Line by line. But one heading occupies the full line. Even the space available as a space also reserved for the tag only. Data some a little bit amount of data, sir. Data 1 letter available, 10 letters available. I don't want. I'm allotting for the tag full line. So see that this whole space is becomes waste only. This whole space is waste. But H1 tag, how much area it is occupying, sir? I'm drawing a box, observe here. This is H1 tag area occupation. H2 tags are. This is the H2 tag area occupation. H3 tags are. This is H3 tag area occupation. 1 letter, 100 letters, I don't want, sir. The whole line is reserved for the tag. Single letter available also, it is occupying the whole line. This is block level tags in nature. Now comes to the current program. But what is the meaning here? See, here also I draw the box. See that strong tag, how much space occupied, sir? This is strong tag. Or B tag, sir. This is B tag. That is the tag size, a box. The box, how much area is available, that much of area your tag is also spreaded. But what is the size of the tag? Whole line or based on the letter characters? Based on the characters. 4 letters available, sir. For 4 letters, it is occupying the space. 10 letters available, sir. For 10 letters, occupying the space. Who is that one? Block level or inline? Inline tags. Block level tags, 1 letter or 10 line stress. Occupation area is the whole line. So block level tags always comes in the line by line, line by line. Inline tags always comes to the side by side, side by side. But when it comes to the second line, sir, whenever the first line is completely occupied, then excess data goes to second line. One more tag, suppose. Just an idea purpose. One more tag, one more tag, one more tag, all inlines only. And one more tag, sir. Is there any space in first line? No. But still I have data, sir. Then excess data goes to second line like this. Excess data goes to second line. So block level inlines. Placement is the difference. Placement is the difference. Okay, now focus on formatting tags. So strong B, both are displaying the letters with the thick. We have the both outputs the side by side. Next, EM tag I am going to applying, sir, italic format. So the name is JavaScript. EM close. Next, I tag I am going to apply italic. The name is some bootstrap. And I close. But both tags displaying the data slightly bending. But these data comes in fresh line or besides of the CSS. CSS beside it will comes or in the next line. Beside only. Because all these are the inline tags. So they should follow the single line only until to touch the right edge of the screen. Output in same line still. And letters bending or not? Yes, we have the bending. So for headings, if I display it, sir, what is the output order? 4 headings, sir, line by line. In the sense, 4 headings comes in 4 lines. But you get 4 inline tags are comes in the single line. Next, in first line, my data is enough, sir. The balanced data, I want to go for the next line. Is there any option? BR tag. Because without BR tag, if you use any another inline, sir, suppose strike or underline, etc., that also comes in the still first line only. Because we have some more space. We have some more space in the first line. So next one, suppose angular. This also goes to first line only. But I want to get the angular in the second line, sir. Apply the manually BR tag. What we discussed in the last session. But now angular comes to the next line. Why the data is comes to next line? That is tag nature or extra instruction. Extra instruction. That extra instruction is the BR tag. So underline available angular, see that one. Next one, strike tag I am going to using, sir. Strike. Some jQuery. Strike close. So first it prints the jQuery. In the middle of the jQuery, exactly drawing horizontally one line. This is strike out. Maybe you are getting doubt, sir, why you are printing, why you are striking out, sir? If you delete the data, problem solved, sir. That question's answer of 5-10 minutes after we'll get it. First, we are testing the tag working or not properly. we'll get an idea. Then implementation is going on. In that implementation, why these strikeouts, why these underlines, will get the clarity. Next, once again, I'm taking the line break. And the next one, sir, chemical equations, subscript H2SO4. Pronunciation okay, sir, H2SO4, but writing is okay? No. So how we are pronouncing in the same style, I want to print the output. What to do, sir? This 2 and this 4, we have to push down little bit. Then go for the subscript. 2 before open the subtag, 2 after close the subtag. Which data you want to get down? Data before open the tag, the data after close the tag. Like that here also 4, sir. Subscript and subscript. HESO all printing in normal format, but the 2 and 4 is going to getting down. Now pronunciation and printing style both are same, H2SO4. Next, one small guideline. I just explained few minutes back. Every opened tag should be closed properly. Otherwise, wrong outputs will get it. See that? I'm not closed the tag properly, sir. Still program executing, sir. Still will get the output, but unexpected output. That is also, we have these type of formulas also in chemistry. Molecular formulas available like this also. The mistakes are accidentally it will matching to another model. So matter is but observe now formation. HE subscript 2, 2 subscript SO, SO subscript 4. Mana staircase steps available kada. Steps mana building steps. That type of formation like this, diagonally formed. 4 is the subscript of the SO. SO is the subscript of the 2 and 2 is the subscript of the H. So this type of formation, it came due to the wrong coding. So close the tags betterly and properly. You will get the perfect outputs like this. Next, once again, line break. Next, I'm printing some more small mathematics formula. So A minus B whole square equals to A square minus B square plus 2AB. Correct in a formula? Wrongly typed together. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Pronunciation okay. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB. But pronunciation, writing style, both not balancing and not matching. So push all these twos to a little bit top. Then use the superscript. 2 before open the superscript. 2 after close the superscript. Again, A square. 2 before open, 2 after closed. Next, B square. 2 before open and 2 after closed. Total 3 times I used the superscript here. And 100% now it is look like as our mathematics formula. A plus B whole square, A square, B square. Like that, our trigonometric equations, so quadratic equations also available. In all that equations, powers available, cubes available. You can use this tag always. Not only mathematics, sir. When temperatures available, Google weather forecasting. Temperature minimum 30 degrees, maximum 40 degrees. Suppose a degrees also how to print it? Superscript or subscript? Superscript 30, top of the 30 degrees. A temperatures displaying scenario also we are using this one. So now you got it an idea. All 8 tags we used here. So which tag, what is the purpose? Practically we are observing here. So strong tag displaying with the thick letters, EM tag displaying with the bending letters, underline tag displaying with the bottom of the line, strike tag displaying the data with the middle of the line. Next subscript below the text, superscript above the text. Total tags. Next. If you observe this program carefully, sir, one small note point also available. There may be some students doubt. Sir, can I use the same tag number of times or not, sir? Possible or not? If you have that type of doubts, observe the screen, sir. Answer already available. Superscript 3 times I used. Subscript 2 times I used. So repetition of the tags possible or not possible? Yes. Body inside. Body available here. This body inside, what are the tags we are using? Those all tags are repeatable. Every tag of the body section repeatable. 100%, and it's a compulsory, sir. Tags repetition not possible. Data displaying is no chance. Next, maybe some students, one more doubt available. Sir, used the separately every tag. The strong tag separately we used, EM tag separately I used. Is it possible to use all the tags at a time, sir? Mixed vegetable biryani. Available the mixed vegetable biryani. But only M biryani say. Aloo biryani available. Tomato rice available, jeera rice available, something fried rice. But if you want to taste all these things, sir, order the mixed vegetable fried rice. Aloo comes, carrot comes, capsicum comes, jeera comes, all are comes, mixing flavor. Like that, here also we can combine all these tags and we can apply at a time on the same text also. I'll show one small example for that. See. I'm printing my names are here, but I want to print my name with the big size. Which tag required? H1 tag. My requirements I'm explaining. The corresponding tag suggest yourself. I want to display my name with the big size, very big size. So tag is H1. And I want to display these letters with underline also, sir. U tag. And I want to display my name with a slight bending also, sir. Apply the 3 tags on this name. Apply. Try to apply all the tags. If it is okay, now output is comes. Otherwise, jump. So H1, U and EM. 3 tags I applied. And I'm closing the tags also here. EM, U, H1. So first time, sir, this type of thing we are using. In our last 4 examples, this is the first time. Number of tags applying on the same data at a time. Actually, this type of writing is called as nested tags. I'm writing a small comment here. Nested tags. If you have any programming knowledge, suppose nested for loop available, nested if conditions available. One if condition inside, another if condition we can place. One for loop inside, one more for loop also we can place. Like that, one tag inside, another tag. Inside, one more tag. Inside, one more tag. Like that, how many tags we can place, sir? Your interest. 1,000 tags also you can place it. But a nested feeling is not comes, sir, when you are observing the source code, sir. Because for the space saving operations, I typed the side by side. For space saving operations. No, sir, space is not important. Feeling is important, sir. Okay. This is the actual typing. I'll show it. See that. The real typing style is this one. Now observe. So where is Shivakumar Y? Where is the Shivakumar Y name? Inside the EM tag. Where is the EM tag? Inside the U tag. Where is the U tag, sir? Inside the H1. So this is exactly nested feeling. The same pattern, my for loops matching. Observe that one. I for loop inside J for loop inside K for loop. Loops, if you have any knowledge. No problem, sir. If you don't have any knowledge, leave it. Observe this one carefully. One inside the another one. The real typing style. But space saving, wasting here. Then only I just typed the side by side here. Meaning same. Next, one more guideline here. My tags applying style means opening of the tags and closing of the tags. Observe once. Here also one small guideline is available. First, which tag I opened, sir? H1. But last, which tag I closed, sir? H1. So first open tag, last closing. Last opened tag, first closing. Then in our programming terminology, this is called as the stack operation. Stack nothing but an LIFO. Last in, first out. Last open tag should be closed very first. The first open tag should be closed very last. If you have not followed this formula, proper outputs doesn't come. Compulsory to follow the formula. So once again repeating the points, sir. Which order we are opening the tags? The closing should be the reverse order. Tags opening order should be the reverse to closing order. Now see the output. Big size, underline, bending. All three effects. So mixed vegetable biryani. Can I apply the bold tag also, sir? Strong tag. Strong tag waste because already I'm fat. Already I'm fat. Family pack. Again strong tag, no use. So don't use the strong tags, are meaningless because letters already very thick letters are available. Any other tags we can use, strikeout or superscript or subscript, or you can use, no problem. So this is another awareness point and guideline. Now tag functioning is completed, sir. I'm going to implementing all these tags for producing one small output. Indirectly, I'm going to showing the implementation of these tags. Some tags I'm going to using. Suppose Vivo X70 Pro or mobile name, one of the model name, Vivo X70 Pro. Next, new price, suppose 40,000 rupees. The new price is 40,000 rupees. Comma, old price, or 60,000 rupees. Old price. Space, offer. Offer is under 20,000 reduced, sir. And how much? Oh, approximately 33% offer. Original price is 60,000, but now it is getting to 40,000. So 20%, 20,000 rupees discounted. And approximately it's a 33%, 35% it will comes. The rough figure, don't worry, take this seriously. This is my required data. But if I run this data directly, what happens, sir? All these values in the normal format to side by side, it is printing. Like as our plain dosa, plain text and murder. This one. Plain text, all are side by side, it will comes. But this text I want to design little bit effectively. For that, formatting tags required for us. So first of all, Vivo X70 Pro, is it a heading or paragraph? Heading model name na, so considered as a heading H4, and I need medium size, sir, not very big size. Next, 60,000 rupees old price, right? But a old price, what we have to do? Fasak, 60,000 before apply the strike tag, 60,000 after close the strike tag. The rupees, sir, so try to print the rupees symbol also. Remember a rupee symbol and hash 8377. Rupees currency symbol also comes, but the price is going to strike out because that is outdated price. Now, what is this 40,000, sir? New price. I want to highlight this price. Highlight to strike out the thickness, sir. Better apply the thickness. Here also 8377. So write the strong and 40,000 after close the strong. New price highlighted with the thick letters, old price highlighted with the strikeout. What about the 33? You want to make anything on that one? Not necessary. Percentage main important. So we have to highlight that also. Apply the italic 33%. So model name displaying with H4 format, new price displaying with the strong format, old price displaying with the strikeout model. So you have the doubt, Gada, why printing the data, why striking out, sir? Best example, your online shopping sites. Original price available, strike it out. Besides of that one, new price is going to printing. I also tried the same thing here. Now, this plain dosa converting into masala dosa, this is. So heading, price bold, strikeout, and italic format. If you go for the most of the online websites, so we have the information like this only, sir. Online websites, additional information, what we have, sir, and the colors. We are just missed here colors only. Rest of things almost same. Apply the colors also, sir. Colors are the next week topic. Next week we are learning the colors topic. Then I'll apply the colors. But this one, testing of the tag or implementation of the tag? Implementation. And these all are the testing. How the tag working, awareness. We got an idea. Now I want to design the real situation, sir. One of the real situation. Once if you open the website, so lot of cases we have these type of things, sir. So formatting tags completed. At the same time, I covered the 3 special points also. Nested tags possible, and a tags opening order, closing order should be the reverse. Combinations of tags also possible. The day-to-day tags knowledge increasing. The number of tags are increasing. But next day, what we have to do, sir? A previous days, what are the tags we discussed? Those are all the things we have to apply here. That is general process. Almost we are following the same pattern only. So moving to the next explanation and the next topic. Last 4 examples, we focused how to print the text in the different formats, the designing the content of the web page. Now I'm going to introducing the settings also. Page designing, we have a basic knowledge, sir. Heading tags, paragraphs, something. Now I'm going to introducing the head tag also. So few days back, we discussed a small thing. Heading tags contains the settings of the web page. Body tag contains the designing of the web page. The web page designing, we developed all the code inside the body tag. Now this page related some settings also I want to introduce. Settings, what are the settings available and where we have to write the settings? This idea I'm going to providing in this example. So if you want to make any settings related to web page, that code should be typed in head section only. Don't forget. Settings always goes to head section. Page designing and content always goes to body section. So what is the first setting, sir? I'll explain. This is example number 5, sir. Example number 5. Run this program first. This is our output. I'm just applying the magnifier for your better visibility. We have a small white color box of 6 to 7 centimeters. Any idea what is the name of that box? A white color box of 6 to 7 centimeters. Tab. The name of that box is the tab. A blue color box available on left edge to right edge. What is the name of that blue color box? It's not related to HTML, general awareness of the computers. Any idea? A blue color bar horizontally. Title bar. The blue color bar is called as the title bar. A white color box is called as the tab. But what is the use of tabs? What is the use of those tabs? No idea. What is the use of these tabs? No idea. Madams? No idea. But daily we are using. Huh? Generally, tabs are used to open websites, sir. Huh? But if I want to open another website, what to do? Click on the plus symbol. What happens? New tab comes. In this tab, you are typing something. But where the Facebook opens or Google opens are into another tab. Every tab, it helps to open another web page or another website. Tabs purpose is that one. Okay. Now, open Google. This is Google's home page. Next, open Naresh IT, our institute website. nareshit.com. It is our institute official website, sir. nareshit.com. Institute related, batches related, FAQs, course content, everything available in this website. If anybody want to check it, once visit the website. Subjects wise FAQs available, subject wise content available. What are the upcoming batches are going to starting? Every information available in this. Next, I'm going to opening one more, Amazon. 3 websites I opened total. Here we have the 3 tabs also. But a tab, observe carefully, sir. What it is showing here, data? Google. Comes to the Naresh Institute. What is the data it is showing, sir? Best Online Training Institute, Best Software Training Institute. Go to the Amazon. What it is showing, sir? Online shopping site in India. Shop online mobiles, books, watches, dot. Original websites. Our programs, what they are showing, we'll watch it. What our program is showing? Example 5. Go to run the previous program. Example 3. Here I'm running example 3.html. What it is showing here? Example 3. Now our program, so your file name is displaying in the title bar. A tab. Every program, what is the name available? With which name you saved, that name is displaying here. But I want to display like this some messages, sir. How our real-time websites displaying the messages? I want to display the same type of message instead of file names, instead of program names. Possibility is there, sir. Settings. Settings. It's not designing, that is the settings. So what is the settings, sir? Titles. But all these boxes, these messages available, that messages are called as programmatically title. Movies titles available, books titles available. Like that, web pages also titles are available. The title is this one: Google, best online, and online shopping site, something. Every website we have these titles as sir. 100%, sir. 100%. By mistake, title is not displaying, and maybe programmer fault that one. That's all. 100% every website, every web page is title available. How many titles available for one website, sir? Not one, sir. N titles available. A website contains n titles. How can decide it, sir? Website is a collection of web pages, right? A website is a collection of web pages. And how many pages available? That number of titles required. I have 100 pages, sir. 100 pages, 100 titles must. If you are not developed, you are not good programmer. Simple thing. 100 pages, 100 titles. If you are not assigned, you are not the good programmer. That is the simple formula. For websites, real-time websites are using us. Check it. But the Amazon homepage, right? Click somewhere on the Amazon homepage. Kidhar? Mobiles. I'm clicking on mobiles. Mobiles page is opens. Observe the title bar now. Mobile phones, buy new mobiles online at best prices in India. Previously, what is the title? Same or different? Different. The home first page to second page, the title changed. Now click somewhere in the mobiles. Starting from 699. Open. Now check the titles. Smartphones. Buy smart mobiles phones at. Change it again. Third page, third title. Now select one of the model here, sir. 18,999 available. What is the model name? OnePlus Nord. Click on this one. Now also title changed. Can you expect anybody title? 3 pages we already checked together. So this one, can you expect? Your model name and title name. Which model we open? OnePlus Nord. The same thing is title. So what is moral of the story? Every page we have separate title. So website, how many pages we have, sir? For all the pages, separate titles required. If you are not followed this formula, you are not good programmer. Not you. Who are not followed, those are all not good programmer. You are following, you are good. Not following candidates are not good programmers. So real-time websites, titles available on ATA. How many titles available? We have an idea. But now the same thing we want to implement for our programs. The next tag is title tag. So concept title, the name of the tag is also title. So purpose I practically explained, sir. Just 3 points I'm going to typing. So this tag used to set titles for a web page. So title tag used to set the title for web page. How many titles point also I'm writing, sir? So one web page contains one title. One web page contains one title. Like that, how many pages available? That number of titles. That also I'll write it. Number of pages is equivalent to number of titles. Number of pages equivalent to number of titles. Next one. So is it paired tag or unpaired tag, sir? It's a paired tag, sir. It is paired tag. And one more rule is also available here. Title tag should be used within head tag. Title tag should be used within head tag. In the sense, head section. Because of settings, so head section inside only. If I write outside the head section, sir, wrong coding, wrong way of implementation, wrong way of developmentation. So wrong things don't encourage and don't prefer also. Next, the syntax is like this. Title, type your text and title close. So title tag begins. What are the title you are expecting? Write the title here and close the title tag. Can I type the lengthy title, sir? No problem, sir. But already Amazon, you observed the 2-3 lines available titles. Minimum 1 character, maximum your interest, but don't prefer too much lengthy. Reasons are, we are setting the movie title. We are not setting movie story. Story, I think you can write any number of pages, no problem. But movie title may be this much or this much or this much. Limit required, the movie titles. Story your interest, 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours. Now we'll see the example on this one. Already example 5 I executed, and we observed also here your file name only displaying as a title. Now I'm making some changes in the code. Title, some title close. It's just for. So program saved, sir, and go to the web page, refresh it. Observe, I'm showing clearly here. Refresh. This changing. So the original title example5.html replaced with a. Now back to the program. Remove this a, testing over the. So write the better title. My first web page. Suppose my first web page. Save this program once again. Go to the browser, refresh. So this is the title for our page. This is the Google and this is our program. Both same, data different, that's all. So this is the way to type the title, and that must be comes inside the head section. Can I set the another title for same page, sir? Can I set the one more title for the same page? No, sir. 1:1 ratio. One page, one title. Multiple titles not correct, sir. If you set the multiple titles, sir, pronunciations problems also comes. Identification problems also comes. So don't go for the more than one title for the same page. If I write it, what happens, sir? Nothing happens. Worst coding meaning and. So if you write one more title here, browser never objecting anything, sir, because it's a HTML. Errors never comes. I already said this point. If you write the too much of worst code, still program is executing. So browser executing programs are my program correct, not correct, sir. In that program, these number of mistakes also chances are available. So don't over depend on the browser. Next, one more setting I'm going to explaining, sir. Again, back to our websites. Once again, this is Amazon's homepage. A title before what we have? The A alphabet down an arrow key symbol is there. So what is that generally? Amazon logo. Next here, Naresh IT sir, NIT logo is available. And Google Chrome sir, G logo is available. Our program sir, globe symbol, internet symbol is available. Internet symbol I don't like sir. I need my own logo, my company logo, my college logo, my hospital logo. I want to display it sir. That also is setting only. But if you observe your college website sir, in the same place your college logo display. A varieties logos designed together, that logos display. 100% of websites logos are available. The offices are, hospitals are, banks are, pharma companies are, IT companies are, manufacturing departments are, electrical departments are, or government websites are. Government websites, government emblem is comes. But Telangana government, we have one emblem, that is Kakatiya arch is available. Andhra something available. Every state one logo is there, compulsory. Logos are comes, state logos. What about this logo? How to set this one, sir? For that also one tag is available. That I am going to introducing. Setting once again. So the tag name is link tag. The name of the tag is link. So the purpose of this tag is a logo settings. One more purpose of the same tag is linking with external styles also. Actually, link is the multi-purpose tag. Link tag is multi-purpose tag. Multi-purpose in the sense are more than one operation we can do with this tag. But suppose title tag is available, different purposes are only for title. Superscript is available only for printing the text top only. That's all. No other work. But link not like that. It is performing 2 to 3 operations. 2 to 3 purposes we can use the same tag. So what are the list of operations are? This tag used for setting a logo within the brackets, favorite icon, programming terminology, sir. Logo setting. This is the first purpose. Second purpose, sir. Used for linking external styles. The same tag also used for linking of external styles. That is CSS concepts. HTML program, CSS program, if you want to link up, this link tag is required. And one more purpose is also available. Also used for linking external libraries. The same link tag also used for linking external libraries. And other software's libraries are third-party libraries, other companies' libraries. If you want to use in the program, then also we can use this one. The HTML, they want to access the Bootstrap libraries, sir. Bootstrap, it's not HTML concept. It's a separate web technology. Now, Bootstrap libraries we can use in HTML. jQuery libraries we can use in HTML. Ajax libraries also we can call from HTML. That is other softwares, third parties. The third parties are called as the external libraries. It's not part of the HTML. We can access with the support of the link tag. So these are the three different scenarios we are using the tag. One, three purposes. One tag, three purposes. But right now in these three purposes, what is our current concept? First pointer, second pointer, third pointer. First point we are using for this. But what about the balancer? Future it will comes. Right now we are focusing on the first advantage. Next. So what is the nature of this tag, sir? It is unpaired tag, sir. It is unpaired tag. Opening available, separately closing not comes. The nature of tag is this one, and this point continues to here also. Title place link tag. So link tag must be, not should, sir, must be used within head tag. Must is nothing but an mandatory. Must nothing but an mandatory. By mistake, if I use outside the head section, sir, it doesn't execute. The tag not executed by the browser. Then all I said must be compulsory to use inside the head tag. And next the syntax is comes like this. Link space rel equals to icon, href equals to file name with address. So this is the syntax of the link tag. Link tag followed by some additional details. Rel equals to icon, href equals to file name. Okay, tag information we just discussed it, sir. But what about these two options, sir? Explaining, sir, that only. Rel full form is relative. The full form of the rel is relative. What is the meaning of relative, sir? Just now I said link is the multi-purpose tag. For what purpose you are using this tag currently? Inform to browser. You must inform to browser. Otherwise, browser getting the ambiguity problem. Reason, sir? See that. But if I write the H1, browser, they have the clarity of what we have to do. H1 followed by H1 close. But what browser thinking? What to do it is thinking, or I have to print the data in H1 format. Browser clarity available. So I want to print the given data in H1 format. Next, I'm going to using the B tag something text. Browser, they have clarity or confusion? Clarity. So browser feeling, I want to print this data in bold format. How the clarity is comes there? Because one tag, one purpose. One tag, one utilization. But now I'm writing the link tag like this. Tag close. But what is the browser clarity, sir? But 2 points I explained here. Browser, they have some clarity. Say the same style 1 point here. I'm the browser. I have to dash. A dash filling is not possible. Here, I'm the browser. I have to print the data in H1 format. I have to print the data in bold format. And here I have to 3 concepts available. I want to do this one, this one, this one. And that is question mark. So browser not getting any clarity. But programmer designed this tag for which purpose? Setting of the logo or linking to CSS files or linking to external library. A programmer knows that one, but browser doesn't know. So we should give the clarity or not. That is this one. Relative equals to icon. I'm using this tag right now for setting of icon. I'm using this tag currently for setting of the icon. So clarity, something is comes to browser. Link tag for the purpose of the icon setting. Still browser having some question mark. What is that, sir? Okay, developer, you want to set the icon. I'm also ready. Where is your icon? What is the name of that icon? A.jpg, B.jpg, something names are available, right? Other names we are not given anything. Remember, sir, one point. We are saying the icons, right? Every icon is an image. Every Google icon is an image. NIT icon is also image. Nothing but an photos. And this is also an image. But now, image details available here? No. That image details we are supplying with href, hyper reference. Nothing but an address of your picture. That hyper reference is contains the address of your picture. Complete address required, sir. Where the image available, the complete address required. C:/something/something/something/a.jpg. Exactly where your image you downloaded, that whole address is required. At least one letter missing, sir. Your icon not going to apply. So relative is represents which purpose? Href is nothing but an hyper reference. That is the location or address of image. Two options meaning is that one. Rel full form relative. It represents which purpose? Hyper reference full form. Sorry, href full form hyper reference. What is the meaning of hyper reference? Address of the image or location of the image. A small doubt for me, sir. But while using of this link icon, link tag, is it mandatory to write these two things or optional? Huh? Sure? Confirm? Think like that only. Mandatory. If you are not using this one, output not comes properly. So link tag explanation, this one, sir. But now I want to implement this program. What I required first of all? Image required. So Google Mataji is there, kada? Ask one image, download and access in the program. So icon, images. I have different images here, sir. Download any of one. Suppose this eye symbol, sir. Look at this eye symbol. Anything okay. Download this picture. You know how to download it. You are full experts in downloading, huh? Senior most downloaders. So right click, save image. Where I have to save it, sir? We can save anywhere in the system, but address writing is required in program. Save it. Generally, when I save or when I download it, that all files goes to downloads folder in generally. Now continue that only, no problem. Downloads folder. Name of this one, sir, logo.svg. The name of the file is logo.svg. This is the logo. I'll show it, see that if it is downloaded or not successfully. Go to the downloads folder. This is logo.extension is svg. Now what is the address of this one? Downloads, before that one we have so much of address. C:/something it will comes. It is not displaying. We'll go for the properties, sir. In properties, complete address available. C:/users/yen/downloads/logo.svg. Complete, sir. Single letter missing a program jump. Copy this address. Back to program. Same program. One more tag I'm adding. Link rel equals to icon. href equals to the copied address /logo.svg. Close the tag. This is the specification of address. This is my image. It is available in downloads folder. Downloads is the subfolder of N folder. N is again subfolder of users folder. Users folder is created in the C drive. So very long process, sir. Of course, sir, but compulsory, sir. So that's why better don't go for the other locations, sir. Other locations, the addresses problems are comes. First, we'll test it. It's working or not. Go to the browser. So refresh it, sir. Before refreshing, observe once the icon here. A default to internet symbol, replace it with our downloaded image. As neatly displaying also on the screen. Sir, these images boring, sir. My selfie is available, sir. You can put your selfie, no problem. Available. Me, my coffee, me with my cake, me with my brush. Variety selfies available. Me with my friend. Copy the photo from your mobile to system. Set as a icon, there is no problem. Is it image or not? That is only required. If it is image, sir, allowing to set as a logo. But if it downloaded pictures, I'm not interested to download, sir. I'm artist, sir. My internally one talented fellow is there, sir. That person is going to sketching something, sir. Very good. Paintbrush available, kada? Open paintbrush. Show your talent. Ravi Verma's, Shakespeare's, something. So after drawing the picture, save it and set your own picture as an icon here. The downloads are not interested. You want to go for your own icons. So create one small picture like a G symbol, Google, Flipkart F symbol, Facebook F symbol. Write the Shiva symbol also. My own symbol, amma. Yellow color I'm taking here. Next letter, yes. Yellow the blue I'm taking with big size. The instead of routine lettering style, change the font model. For the variety styles available with the lettering styles, take like this. For the different style. But logos, sir, the different look is required. The different look. Next, what to do, sir? Take this yes and place inside the circle. Adjust the position. Adjust this drawing sheet size also. So the corners white color gap available. Try to with some color, fill with color. Which color? Black. The corners of white color displaying, that also I'm filling with some black color. Hmm? Now file menu, save. Our own talent. File menu, save. Where, sir? Address problems you want to avoid it. Save this one in our current folder. Current folder in the sense HTML programs where you are saving in the same location, save this one. But address is writing not necessary. So where our programs are available? HTML 2 p.m. folder. Already 5 examples completed. All these 5 examples I'm saving in daily one folder. The folder name is HTML 2 p.m. Last sessions I already shown also, sir, how to create the folder also. This is 2 p.m. Here save it. Logo1.jpng. Logo1.png. Save. Done. Next, close this one. So we designed our own art in the paintbrush. Next, what I'm doing, sir? This one I'm putting in the comment. Placing the code in non-executable mode is nothing but an comments. I place it in comments. So writing one more link tag. href equals to. Actually, we have to type like this. HTML 2 pm slash logo1.png. This is original typing style. But we have some shortcut here. Reasons are, currently working program is example 5. See that. This is your folder. Example 5 available in the same location and logo is also available in the same location. Programu image both maintained in the same folder or same directory. In these scenarios, address is not necessary. You can directly access the file names. If you save any other locations, sir, the complete address is required. You will like this. Which is easier? Other locations are within the current folder. So HTML programs where it is available, maintain the images also in the same location. That is always the better way. Now remove this address. This is more enough. You're not getting complexities, sir. Letters missing chances also not available. So save this. Go to the browser. Refresh. Your symbol is comes here. Same place, any image you can display it, including your photos also. Both are settings or web page content. Both are web page setting. Setting a logo for web page, setting a title for web page. And hello is the content of the web page. But regular websites, so what they have, our page also having the same thing. Just I'm writing a small comment here. Example and title and link tags. Next, I have the small doubt here, sir. First title, next link compulsory, or we can change the order. First title tag, then link tag. Order compulsory to follow, or we can shuffle the order also. First link tag, next title tag. Possible or not possible? Confidently not getting answer. But a head section inside, the very first I use a title tag. Title tag, next I use the link tag. But compulsory, we should follow the same order. Or changing of these tag positions possible or not? 100% possible, sir. No rules to follow the same order. So first I explain the title, next I explain the link. But at the time of practicing, sir, I want to write like this, sir. Your interest. Both the tags should be present inside the head section. The first who is, the second who is, it's not a matter. But both tags must be placed inside the head section only. So title link valid. Otherwise, link after title. That is also valid only. No problem. So this program, I mainly focused on the head section. Now we have the both awareness, sir. Head section purpose, what is, we got an idea. Body section purpose also, what is, we have an idea. 4 examples focused on body section, 1 example focused on the head. The coming examples, head to body, head to body, head to body, both we are using. And our next topic is attributes. Up to now, we worked with the tags, sir. Up to now, we worked with the tags. Now I'm moving to the attributes. What is this attributes variety concept, sir? HTML is the tag-oriented language, sir. 100%, sir. HTML is a tag-oriented language. But every tag internally attributes support also required. How much tags are important? Attributes also same importance only, sir. With only tags, no, sir. With only attributes also, no. Both combinedly required. Simple meaning, just small funny example. We have a bowl of white rice. Only white rice. No curries, no curd. What we can do? Only white rice. Curries, no. Curd, no. Buttermilk, no. Sambar, no. Chutneys, no. Because white rice, plain rice, we are unable to eat. Maybe 1 bite to 2 bites, okay. Third bite onwards, not good. So rice only, no use. Curry only, no use. That is the best option. Take some amount of rice, take some amount of curry, chutney, curd, something, mix it, and then take the food. So tag is the rice, attributes are the curries. Both if you implement it, sir, will get the proper programming or proper coding. Attributes concept, freshly we start on Monday session. Tomorrow no session, sir. Monday we'll continue the balance things. Thank you all. Sir, admin అడిగితే మీకు WhatsApp లో షేర్ చేస్తాను. అడ్మిన్ ఉన్నారు. కాల్ బాయ్ ఉంటారు. మీకు అడ్రస్ మీకు క్లాస్ ఎంటర్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు చెక్ చేశారు కదా ఆయన అడ్మిన్. ఆయన అడిగితే వాట్సాప్ లో డైరెక్ట్ షేర్ చేస్తాను.
HTML ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసినప్పుడు కలర్స్ హైలైట్ అవుతాయి కదా, బ్లూ అలాగా. నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో అవ్వట్లేదు అవుతుందా?
నోట్ ప్యాడ్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు.
నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అంటే అది లైఫ్ టైం కదా సార్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అనేది.
అది ఓన్లీ టెక్స్ట్ ఎడిటర్ కదా, HTML ఎడిటర్ కాదు కదా.
లైఫ్ టైం యూస్ చేయాలంటే ఎడిట్ ప్లస్ యూస్ చేయాలా సార్?
ప్లస్ వాడుకోవచ్చు, అది నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్.
నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది. మనం బ్రేక్ ఆ పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ బ్రేక్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు
కలర్స్
కలర్స్ రావాలి అంటే ఎక్కడ కట్ చేస్తాం, ఎక్కడ వర్క్ చేస్తాం అనేది
ఎడిటర్స్ వాడుకోవచ్చు చెప్పి అక్కడ రావాలి వాడుకుంటే. లేకపోతే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేకపోతే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. స్క్రీన్ రావాలి సార్. డౌన్లోడ్ అయితే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారు, డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఉంటుంది. యాక్సెప్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రీన్ మీద రావట్లేదు. స్క్రీన్ మీద రావట్లేదు. ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ లో ఉండొచ్చు. అక్కడ ఫైల్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది, స్క్రీన్ రావట్లేదు. సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. షార్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. షార్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, అంటే రైట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే క్రియేట్ షార్ట్ డెస్క్టాప్ అని వస్తుంది ఆప్షన్. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. టాస్క్ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ అయిపోతాయి. దానికి వస్తుంది.